और यदि आप साड़ी वाड़ी पहन रही हो तो यू नो इफ देयर इज अ लेडी मेंबर सी में आस्क टेक्सचर ऑफ द साड़ी कहाँ से खरीदा गया ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ थिंग्स
But this looks, it suits you very much, Betty.
looking very well.
Looks very elegant.
Is there any organ that cannot be donated?
I think there could be multiple. We have to.
Miss Aurora, what do you think of S. Jaishankar? On a scale of 1 to 10, where would you rate him?
I think there is no linear scale that you can rate a diplomat on.
You can't. We do it in the service all the time when we have to promote people.
While that is true, sir, I think there are certain parameters.
What do you think of him as a foreign minister?
Sir, I think he's doing really well in terms of promoting India, whether it comes to public diplomacy or financial proliferation, etc. So I think
Financial?
proliferation of India's interests. So in terms of economic diplomacy, taking India's investment.
Why do you want to join the foreign service?
So there are a few of reasons. The first one being I've been an avid debater across my school and college life. So the communication skill set that I come with. Who established Vikramshila?
Someone from Pala dynasty. Gopala.
Yes, it was Pala. When is Yoga Day?
On 21st June.
Okay, what are different types of yoga?
Ma'am, yoga has different types like Gyan Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, then Hatha Yoga, Raj Yoga.
Yes. So what type do you follow?
I've learned Hatha Yoga, like Ashtanga I've learned. So
How many districts are there in Bihar?
तो कौन बैठा है वहाँ टिंगलिंग पिंग पोंग डिंग डोंग, क्या नाम है उसका?
yes sir.
चीन के लीडर का नाम क्या है? टिंग टिंग।
Xi Jinping.
मोहम्मद हाशमी शाह।
yes sir good morning sir good morning sir
आजा, ये बैठो यार, बैठ जाओ।
Thank you.
I see that you have shown the foreign service as your first choice.
yes sir
Which one of us four belongs to the? Look, Akshat, हम लोगों ने निर्णय ये किया कि you are very good. और अगर आप सिविल सर्विस में आते हैं, आप एसेट होंगे देश के लिए, राइट? आपका आत्मविश्वास हमने देखा है, आउटस्टैंडिंग। आप सेल्फ अश्योर्ड हैं, लॉजिकल माइंड है आपका, और आप प्रेशर में नहीं आते। हमने प्रेशर में डालने की कोशिश की थी, लेकिन जो चीज आपको नहीं मालूम थी, एक आपने कहा ये मुझे नहीं मालूम है। वी अप्रिशिएट दैट। ये ऑनेस्टी जो होती है, इंटेग्रिटी बहुत जरूरी है। सो गुड लक एंड वेलकम टू द सिविल सर्विस।
thank you